On Monday afternoon, Mario an attorney representing Luis Gutierrez, the campaign manager of North Bergen mayoral hopeful Larry Wainstein, in a lawsuit alleging dozens of instances of voter fraud by supporters of Mayor Nick Sacco. The amended complaint, which was filed in Mercer County on April 20th, alleges that at least 58 North Bergen voters live outside of the township, yet continue to vote in North Bergen. Dominique Petrillo, a senatorial aide to Sacco, also the state senator of the 32nd District, Joseph Sacco, the mayor's brother, as well as Frank Longo and Walter Samick, two men fighting separate criminal charges issued by the state attorney general, are just a small sample of those named in the complaint. Committeewoman Beatrice Wiley, the wife of West New York Commissioner Count Wiley, who was facing charges of voter fraud in a lawsuit last month, is also named in Gutierrez's suit. However, Hudson County Superior Court Judge Hector Velasquez ruled she did not commit voter fraud. During a press conference at Weinstein's campaign headquarters today, located at the corner of 62nd Street and John F. Kennedy Boulevard, Blanche said, "Voter fraud undermines the democratic process."
Voter fraud undermines the democratic process, the right of true citizens of North Bergen to choose the candidates that they want. Voter fraud is also a third-degree crime that is punishable by 5 years in jail. I recently filed a verified complaint in lieu of prerogative writ on behalf of North Bergen resident Luis Gutierrez, alleging that various employees for the North Bergen Board of Education and their family members may have committed voter fraud by voting in North Bergen while not residing in North Bergen. In addition, Mr. Gutierrez has been informed that during past elections, individuals were being escorted into the voting booth as well as voters having been intimidated. Mr. Gutierrez's lawsuit requests that the New Jersey Division of Elections and the Hudson County Board of Elections provide neutral monitors and/or state police at every polling location in North Bergen on May 12, 2015.
He echoed that sentiment when speaking with Hudson County View, adding that he is due in court on the matter on Wednesday.
Election requires voters who live in North Bergen to vote. If too many voters outside of North Bergen are voting, it corrupts the election and it turns the entire democratic process into a farce.
Well, May 12th is only 8 days away, so even in the best set of circumstances, could anything be done by the courts between now and then?
We have a hearing on May 6th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm hoping the courts can do something before the May 12th election.
Additionally, Weinstein said the complaint was in the spirit of ensuring an honest and fair election.
We just want an honest and fair election, and we are requesting state monitors to make sure that there's not going to be any voter fraud and voter intimidation.
Paul Sobinski, Sacco's campaign manager, slammed the lawsuit, categorizing it as being filled with ridiculous lies and deliberate falsehoods. Lying Larry Weinstein's gang of thieves actually asking law enforcement to come in at the 11th hour and rescue their failing campaign is like a drug cartel asking for help from the DEA, Sobinski said in an email. We're talking about a lawsuit full of ridiculous lies and deliberate falsehoods filed by a deadbeat attorney who owes almost $200,000 in back taxes on behalf of a campaign being run by the biggest political crook in North Bergen history for a candidate who doesn't even live in the town he wants to run. This is just another desperate political stunt from a candidate who is going down in flames. I'm John Heides with the Hudson County View, the eye of the community.